What is the name of the color part of the eye which surrounds the pupil? Iris, cornea, retina, or lens? Okay, correct answer, iris, cornea, retina, or lens. Correct answer is iris. Where does a storm brew up when it's actually a fuss about nothing? In a sugar bowl, in a teacup, in a coffee pot, or in a cereal bowl? B. In a teacup. Final answer. Which of these companies is best known for selling flat-packed, self-assembly furniture? Superdrug, Primark, IKEA, or Greggs? C. IKEA. Final answer. The tool used for melting and applying solder is usually called a soldering what? Kettle, fork, pan, or iron? D. Iron. Final answer. Which dictionary definition of a large herbivorous lizard native to tropical regions of Mexico, Central America, South America, and the Caribbean? Anaconda, alligator, iguana, or terrapin? C. Iguana. Final answer. Which of these is a detective created by Colin Dexter? Constable Semaphore, Superintendent Braille, Inspector Morse, or Sergeant Sign Language? C. Inspector Morse. Final answer. Which singer sings the song Made in Romania? Gheorghiaghi, Paganini, Ionuț Cercel, or Leonardo da Vinci? C. Ionuț Cercel. Final answer. In the term PIN number, the I stands for what? Information, identification, interest, or index? B. Identification. Final answer. Which geographical feature is a narrow strip of land linking to larger areas of land? Isthmus, firth, dune, or gulf? A. Isthmus. Final answer. Orvieto wine comes from which country? Italy, France, Germany, or Spain? 50-50. Computer, please take away 2 of the random wrong answers. Italy or Spain? A. Italy. Final answer. Whose discovery of the law of gravity was supposedly inspired by a falling apple? Albert Einstein, Isaac Newton, William Tell, or Benjamin Franklin? B. Isaac Newton. Final answer. In France, what is an auberge? Inn, shepherd, mountain, or car? A. Inn. Final answer. Teams in the NHL play which sport? Ice hockey, basketball, water polo, or netball? A. Ice hockey. Final answer. Which London museum occupies the former site of Bedlam, the infamous mental asylum? Victoria and Albert Museum, London Transport Museum, Museum of the Moving Image, or Imperial War Museum? D. Imperial War Museum. Final answer. On which island were the Bee Gees born? Isle of Man, Hawaii, Tasmania or Isle of Wight? C. Tasmania. Final answer. Okay, correct. This is Isle of Man. $2, please.